This is the Lippert 26-inch Screen Defender. We purchased it to go on our screen door here to prevent our dog over there from pawing at the screen and tearing it. So we're going to do a quick install of this. So these are adapters that they include if the screen doesn't quite like if you see when we install this, there's still a gap here. So this is to help close the gap. They include these adapters that will effectively lengthen or allow you to cover more of your screen. So we're gonna try this. They just sit in there. And this guy sits in this channel here. And obviously I need to go down a little bit more. So you can, they have these grooves that you can change the width of.